Hi everybody, it's Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards, and I am here to share some happy mail. Yay, I love happy mail. Okay, so I received a beautiful letter inside this lovely decorated envelope from my friend Alease, who's Leasy46. Hi Alease. And she, of course, put a coffee theme on here because my family has been heavy into the coffee business in Seattle. We owned our own cafes for many, many, many years. We're all retired now, but I still love coffee and hot drinks, hot cocoa. Usually hot cocoa mixed with coffee is what I drink, and then my son has hot cocoa. But anyway, Alease used this wonderful Tim Holtz Blueprints latte stamp, and then she has a woman drinking coffee sitting in front of a handful of bunnies, which is just adorable. And then I just love the way Alease does collage. You know, different things are on here. There's a camera, which I love taking pictures. And so I don't know, you know, and it says thinking of you. I don't know if she designed them each for the specific person they were going to, but it feels that way to me. So knowing Alease, she put a lot of thought into it for sure. So Alease, thank you so much for your beautiful letter and for sending me happy mail. And I just so appreciate it. And I hope all is going well for you. And I look forward to hopefully seeing Christmas crafts from you too. A couple people have asked me why you weren't in the recent YouTube hop. They said, well, Alease should have been in there. And I agree. But, you know, our lives are busy, and sometimes we have to step away from crafting for a while because we've got other things going on. So, and I happen to know that Alease has had a very busy few months. So anyway, God bless you, Alease. Thank you so much for thinking of me. And then this next beautiful box that says Live, Love, and Sparkle is from my sweet friend Vicki. Vicki is TryHeart67 here on YouTube. If you have not been to her channel, I highly recommend that you go visit her. And I sent some happy mail off to her this week, and she was a little bit ahead of me and already sent happy mail to me, which was so sweet of her. And I already unwrapped everything just because there was some plastic and crinkle. And this is the third time I filmed this video because I had some technical difficulties. But Vicki sent this sweet card that looks like this. And these are those wonderful, if you go to her channel, you'll see a video where she made these little clips that can go on planners, cards, whatever you want to clip them to, bookmarks. So this one's a little star, and they just clip on, and this one's a cloud, and they're just adorable. And she used, I think this is some Prima wire, paper wrapped wire, but look at how cute it is. It's pink gingham on the back, and then it has a little smiley face on the front and a little heart. So she sent me this beautiful card that says to a special friend, and it says hello, and then love, Vicki. And it's got another little cloud in it. Isn't that adorable? I just love that. And look at how the hello sparkles. And she's got this beautiful like sparkle paper too. I forget what you call that, but it's almost like a shimmer. I think it's called shimmer paper. So you can kind of see the shimmer on there. So beautiful card. Oops, the cloud went away. These are clips, so I'll be using those. I'm going to set the card aside. And then inside, look at what she sent. She sent this beautiful, I'm going to move the box out of the way so we can take a look. Oops, sorry about the noise. Look at this, you guys. She sent this gorgeous, I wanted to say pine cone, ice cream cone. Look at that. And it's made out of, you know, I'm going to have to see if you did a video on how you did this, but it looks like the top is made out of trims, or that flower trim maybe. And then she has a little strawberry and little sequins all over it. And inside is Tim's favorite candy, High Chews, and mine too, but I try to be good and not eat that. But I'll probably have at least one. As soon as I show these to him, they're going to Timmy, Vicki, these will disappear. So look at how cute this little cone is. Isn't that adorable? So I just love that. So sweet. And then she sent this little bag full of charms and doodads. So, and they're all so sweet. Some of them have flowers on them and bling. There's a little bear. That bear is just adorable. Isn't that precious? And then a little heart with wings. This is one of my favorites, that little cupcake with bling. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, that'd be so cute on a birthday tag or card, or, you know, a little necklace, jewelry, something like that. And I've just started making jewelry, so it's fun to see all these little charms that I can use. There's a pearl dangle and another little flower. That's so dainty and sweet. Oh my gosh. I love the tiny flower. That is so tiny and cute. It's hard to do this from behind the camera. I'm not even sure what that one is. Is it? Oh, it's a little bling dangle. So she sent me all of those. Thank you so much, Vicki. You're so sweet to send me such sweet things. Oops. And of course, I just dropped 2 of them on the floor. I'll have to bend down and get that in a minute. And then, look at this beautiful tag. Now, this says, my dear friend Jill on here. She's got this tiny tag. I love this. That's so cute. It's got a heart at the top of it. I love that. And then look at this. This comes off, so I'm not doing a good job of showing you, but there's the tag, and she's got her information on the back. Isn't that adorable? It's inspired by life, created by hand. And it says, one of a kind art created by Vicki. So that's her name, Vicki Yoshikawa. And look at how beautiful this is. And then look at this. If you haven't seen the video where she shows off all of these clips that she made, so this could be a bookmark, like I said, or a paper clip in a planner, however you want to use it. But look at, she's wired it together, and then she's got these little charms on here. Isn't that adorable? I just love these, Vicki. I'm so touched that you sent these to me. Thank you so much. So that's going to have a special place in my planner that I keep upstairs, that I run my life with, all the things that I have to do and am taking care of. And look at, she sent me even more. Look at, it's a little tiny cloud, and this one has little swirls on it and stitching. Look at how cute that is. And then this one's a cupcake, and then this one's a little heart. Oh, adorable. And then the last thing is this lovely thing of Post-its. And I have to tell you, Vicki, I'm down to like just a little tiny stack of Post-its. So I really needed these. So it's got a little, oops, I think I undid it and I didn't do it up right. But it's got a little rubber band closure on it. Isn't that adorable? And this paper is adorable. Oh my gosh, do you see this paper, Marilyn? I just love this, the strawberry basket. So this is just so charming. I don't know where you found this paper, but that is absolutely adorable. So this is going to stay on my desk too. And then look at what she had it all in. She decorated this strawberry basket, and she put this beautiful rolled flower on it with a pearl center. And she has a little bow here, and then this beautiful eyelet trim and different trim around the edge here. Isn't that gorgeous? So it's my little treasure trove from Vicki. I have all these little things to enjoy. My clips, my charms, these clips, her sweet card with more clips, and then this adorable ice cream cone. So thank you, Vicki, so much. Oops. And now I got to try and get the charm that I dropped on the floor. But I have one more thing of Happy Mail. And my friend Iley said not to share this, that there was no need to do a video, but I just wanted to show you guys. Iley sent me a beautiful note, and she sent me some things she had that she was no longer using because she knows I started to make jewelry. So there's some beautiful stone hearts in here, and pearls, and just all sorts of beads and things that she's not using. And then a whole bag full of charms. So these are all different charms. You know, there's reindeer and fleur-de-lis and just all sorts of different things. So I just wanted to come on and mention this. You know, there's stones, just all different beads and things that she felt that she wouldn't be using, and she sent them on to me. So Iley, that's so sweet of you to think of me, honey. And I just wanted to let you know that I had received them, and I so appreciate your friendship and your generosity. You're so kind. So to everyone who sent me Happy Mail, Vicki, Alease, and Iley, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying your summer. And it's very early in the morning. Today is Thursday, and today I have a ton of errands to do. But I hope to be back with you soon, and I'd like to share a new set of digital papers that I ordered, and I'm going to be playing with them. And I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek, but this is the paper, and it's from a channel. Hi, Carolyn. It's from a channel called Tea Time and Dolls, and her Etsy shop, which is Tea Time and Dolls. And I think it's created to create Ida and Yorlis Borja. Yorlis, hi Yorlis, hi Ida. And, oh, what's the third person? There's 3 people linked on Carolyn's video at Tea Time and Dolls that did projects with these paper. And I'm so sorry, I can't remember the third person off the top of my head, but I'll share it in my next video, because I'm going to make some projects using the beautiful papers that I purchased. And I'm going to come on and share them with you guys, because I think these papers would be gorgeous for shabby chic Christmas stuff and just anything, really, birthday cards. So these are just some of the papers that are in the collection. The collection is available again at her Etsy shop, Tea Time and Dolls, and I hope you guys will go check it out. And you get a ton of different stuff. This isn't even all of it. I only printed off the papers, but there's ephemera and cutouts, and you know, there's just so much stuff. So I'm just giving you a little sneak, but I will be back to share more using this paper collection. And anyway, it goes on and on and on. You get a ton of papers for the price. And what's wonderful about digital papers, you know, I've had a lot of questions recently about what I use to create with. Part of the reason I went digital is because let's say you need to make 20 tags, but there's only 3 pages in a 6x6 paper pad. You can't make them all with the same papers. So part of the reason why I go digital is when I am doing production for my family and I want to give them all similar tags, I like to have enough of the particular paper in order to do a lot of the same thing, which probably is what most people would not want to do. They want to make different things all the time, but I do a lot of production, at least at Christmas time. So anyway, it's nice to have several sets of digital papers that you can print out when you need maybe, you know, 4 or 5 sheets of the same kind of paper. So, and oh my gosh, Carolyn knocked it out of the park with this set. These papers are absolutely gorgeous. It's hard to even pick a favorite. And I printed these on my Epson Stylus C88, I think is the name of the printer that I used. And I posted my printer name and what I used over on my Greenwood Girl Cards Facebook page. But anyway, I hope you guys will go check out Carolyn's channel, Tea Time and Dolls, and Ida's channel, and Yorlis's channel. And I will link the 3 channels at the bottom of this video. But I'm also going to come back and share more about these papers, and I'll be making some projects with them. So again, thanks for Happy Mail. For the people that were asking about digital papers, this is a little bit of information. The other store that I purchase from all the time is a Rala Mija shop on Etsy, and it's linked in my 2 videos back. I have it linked, I think, in the comment area of my video. So if you need a link to that shop, you'll have it there. Carolyn's shop will be linked in the comments of this video, and I'll be back to share more about Tea Time and Dolls digital papers very soon. Everybody have a wonderful week. Blessings to you, and most importantly, choose joy. Hello, Robin. I'm thinking of you, and I'm praying for all of my friends and family with cancer that are struggling. So God bless us, everyone. I'll be back soon. Bye now.